Alright guys, we're getting ready to start filling some water up in the sluice. Alright guys, we're getting ready to let the water flow through the sluice. Here go boys, we got the gold. I'll upload a couple of photos, show you what we had found out of there. We're going to try to get down there and get some more. We might go today here in a little bit, but like, subscribe, share guys, follow. I'm on TikTok. Just love the support, love you guys. Check out the YouTube channel. Go boys out.